The top 5 best Dutch ovens recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Lodge AC6013 Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. This 6-quart enameled Dutch oven is great for cooking, marinating, refrigeration, and freezing. The color porcelain enamel on cast iron can be used on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, as well as in the oven. Not recommended for use on outdoor grills or over open outdoor flames. Not for use in microwaves. Large color porcelain enamel on cast iron cookware is cast from molten iron in individual sand molds. The porcelain surface eliminates the need to season cast iron. The cast iron vessel has superior heat distribution and retention. Recommendation number 2. Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Covered Dutch Oven. Cast iron covered Dutch oven in white with side handles and fitted lid. Oven safe to 400 Fahrenheit. Cast iron for even heat distribution and retention. Enamel doesn't have non-stick function. Hand wash only. Always use hot pads, oven mitts, or pot holders while moving or removing cast iron cookware on or from the stove or oven. Hold 7.5 quarts. This large Dutch oven serves 6+ people. Perfect for stews or roasts. Dimensions: 14.44 x 12.4 x 7.6 inches. Recommendation number 3. Best Choice Product 6 Ceramic Non-Stick Dutch Oven. Feed large groups at weddings, family gatherings, and more, as this family-sized Dutch oven makes up to 6 quarts of casserole, soup, stew, roasts, and endless other options. Usable on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. In an oven or even on a grill, it's perfect for cooking, roasting, frying, or baking your favorite dishes. Safe to heat up to 480 Fahrenheit, with evenly distributed condensation bumps on the lid's interior and a tight seal to keep moisture, heat, and flavor inside the pot. Recommendation number 4. Le Creuset Signature Enameled Cast Iron Oval Dutch Oven. The iconic Le Creuset Dutch Oven is indispensable in the kitchens of home cooks and professional chefs alike. Expertly crafted from enameled cast iron, the everyday versatility of the Dutch oven makes it ideal for everything from slow cooking and braising to roasting, baking, frying, and more. The oval shape is particularly suited for larger cuts of meat, whole chickens, and for baking oval-shaped loaves of bread. Individually crafted by French artisans from the finest quality materials since 1925, the Le Creuset Dutch Oven is beloved for its perfected design and exceptional heat retention that locks in moisture. Recommendation number 5. Victoria Cast Iron Dutch Oven with Lid. The cast iron Dutch oven has greater retention and distribution of heat. This seasoned cast iron pot has a tight-fitting lid which locks in moisture. Spikes under the lid create a natural self-basting cycle. Larger and ergonomic handles. High-quality commercial iron casting for durability, excellent heat retention. Made in Colombia using European cast iron machinery. Suitable for cooking in induction, ceramic, campfire, grill, broiler, and oven. 100% non-GMO flaxseed oil seasoned coating. Does not contain PTFE and FOs that can be harmful to your health.